Everyone, this is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 10/24/2014 release day for Valor and Playbook. This is a personal box of Valor for Pete M. Good luck, Pete. Let's pull a monster. This is our first box we're opening today. All the packs, all the packs, all the packs, more packs, and the empty box. We will ship you all the base. Alright, here we go. First pack, and I'll try to show you as much base without boring you. We'll go through it. I like going slow through the first couple packs because it's a new product. See what it looks like, see how everything is. See what we got here. Bishop Sankey, Jeremy Hill. You got a Jason Morrow to $3.99. Geno Atkins. We've got a Storm Johnson and a Khalil Mack. Or sorry, Khalil Mack. I was assuming Khalil Mack. That's a Bo Jackson. Very nice looking cards here. I like what they look like here. Okay, so let's do this. Alright, next pack. If anybody else wants personal boxes, the link's there. We also have breaks filling tonight with coupon codes. We'll get those up in the chat in a little bit. Oh, there you go, buddy. It looks like it says congratulations. Check that out. Get the focus for you. 4/75. Sammy Watkins strength jersey. Sammy Watkins jersey. Jumbo relic. Very nice. Very nice there, Pete. I like that card. Those are pretty nice. Very nice, very nice. So we have a David Fales. We have a Stephen Ridley, a Troy Aikman, and a Victor Cruz. All based there. So we're already hitting them pretty nicely. Robert Mathis, Glory out of 199. Glory parallel out of 199. Get him to focus yet. There we go. Robert Mathis out of 199. E.J. Manuel, Julian Edelman, Eric Berry. So we got personal boxes. We got breaks going on. 10% off the breaks if you use release 10. I like the feel of these cards too, guys. They're very nice. Andrew Luck base there. Very nice feel to them. Jordan Cameron. Oh, it looks like here comes your auto. There's your auto. Troy Nicholas for Arizona. Troy Nicholas auto for Arizona, not numbered. Cordero Patterson. Ace there. Don't forget to follow us at the bottom of the screen there, guys. Brandon Cooks, and everything else is in reverse here. So we got a John Riggins. Very nice. Decker. I like when the base cards include some blasts from the past. Oh, we got a thick one in here. There you go. Nice patch card there. Jordan Matthews patch card. You got a little bit of third color if you look at an angle there coming down, but pretty much a two-color patch. Jordan Matthews for the Eagles. Very nice seam. And we had a Luke Kinkley. Yeah, the receivers in this draft are pretty sick. You got a Courage of Russell Wilson to 399. Get the focus here. Still looking to get it to focus. There we go. 399 Russell Wilson. And I'll encase all your number ones for you too. We'll do that. Shane Vereen and Troy Polamalu. Next pack. There's a eBay 101. Taj Boyd Jersey Auto. 1 of 50. Courage Parallel. Taj Boyd Jersey Auto. eBay 101. 1 of 50. And a Stephen Morris rookie. We got a speed insert of Deshaun Jackson. Barry Sanders base. Jimmy Graham speed insert, Robert Griffin, and Nosha Moreno. We've got Valor breaks on our website. Discipline, Keenan Allen out of 299. We're doing personal boxes. And a whole bunch of base. Speed insert of Jamal Charles, Michael Crabtree, Antonio Brown. We got some Drew Brees. See if we can get a nice low number parallel here. There's a strength of Vernon Davis to 499. Vernon Davis to 499. And some base. Johnny Manziel rookie. Speed insert. Yeah, I like them, and they have a different feel to them, different texture. We got, let's see, Alfred Morris speed, Joe Flacco, Eddie Lacy, Le'Veon Bell. We got some personal boxes. The link is in the chat above. If it's not, let me know. We'll get it in there. We have 2 breaks trying to fill up here. A bunch of breaks actually trying to fill up. 2 Valor, 2 Playbook. Monte Ball, strength. All right. 3 more packs for this personal box. CJ Mosley, Dan Marino, Golden Tate, and Russell Wilson base. You got a Teddy Bridgewater speed insert. Emmitt Smith, and the last pack. Good luck. And a J.J. Watt base. So that'll do it. Some very nice hits in there. Congrats, and we'll get them shipped out to you as fast as possible. Thank you.